Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Jubilee Life Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and in the Google search bar, search for Jubilee Life Mortgage Bank Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the corporate online login portal of Jubilee Life Mortgage account. Now, write down your username, your password and click sign in. This way you can sign in into your Jubilee Life Mortgage Bank login. Let me show it to you once again. Search for Jubilee Life Mortgage Bank login in the Chrome or Edge browser after you open Google and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this login portal where you can write down your username, your password, click sign in, and then you can successfully sign in to your Jubilee Life Mortgage account. And if in case you have forgotten your login details, click on this link and you can retrieve your account or you can recover your password after you send an email, and then you can write down your username or your email, press continue, and then you can retrieve your account back. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.